didn't do a lot though. Yeah, hi Navajo in the city. I'm finally doing my introduction, and because usually when I record Anita, the chindajins and I gotta kind of speed it up a little bit. And Anita dinner time, it's already 6:30. Usually what I'll do is I'll cook the potatoes first, throw in the squash, and then corn. This time I'm gonna do something a little bit differently. I'm going to add these 4 garlic, onion, potatoes, and squash. I'm going to mix these. Alote, I'm going to try my hand at that Mexican street corn. Alote. They want you to come by their corn on the cob with the mayonnaise, parmesan cheese, chili, and all that good stuff on it. I'm going to try it my way, which is going to fry it. I'm going to fry it first, add a couple of things, and then give it a try. Let's see how it turns out. I don't think my husband's gonna like it too much, but I know my kids and myself are gonna love it a lot. So corn anita, I cut the niblets off. I cut the potatoes up already, and my meat, I've got spare ribs going. So I shall be back every now and then. Back into the oven, not covered, 375 for at least 30 to 40 minutes. Threw my garlic and my onions in. Next, I'm gonna throw in my potatoes, my namasi. When the potatoes are halfway done, then I'll throw in the squash. Okay, so let's try it. Here's the corn. I'm gonna fry it here in just a moment in the in my skillet. These are what I'm gonna add. I'm gonna put regular mayo. I put 3 tablespoons in there. Although I'm gonna put this crema Mexican. It's the Mexican sour cream. It tastes different than our normal sour cream. It tastes like, to me, it tastes like cottage cheese more than our English sour cream. It's actually really good. I'm gonna mix these 2 together with pepper and salt. And then I'm gonna have Parmesan in one just by itself, and then chili by itself with some lime in a bowl and some cilantro. So these are gonna be the toppings that my family can add themselves after I cook this in some butter. So I'm gonna keep trying. I haven't made it like this before. I've made it boiled and then you add these things to it, but this time I'm gonna try it on the skillet, have these available, and then let's see if my family likes it. See you later. Yes, a lot of people are. So now I'm mixing the mayo and the Mexican sour cream. I added pepper and salt. So when they get their corn out, they just get one of these, dollop it into the corn. Some people prefer not using any mayonnaise, and that is quite all right. Got my corn frying. I added onions, pepper. Mix this very, very well. Got my lemon cut. I need to chop this up a little bit more. That's cilantro, cayenne pepper, Parmesan cheese. Still cooking, still working on it. Alright, so you know you're becoming a better cook when you have things done all at the same time. excuse me, I've got allergies. So I've got potatoes and squash with some parsley on it. If you'd zoom in. So here's the corn. I'm going to put a dollop of that, 2 dollops of that sour cream and the, oh, I need the spoon for that. A little bit of cilantro. I've already put some pepper in the corn and a squeeze of lime. I'm going to put this back in here and let's have a taste test. I'm really interested in the corn. This is food, amen. Oh my gosh, it's to die for. I found out I don't have any chili powder, so I'm going to use cayenne. This is so good. So all I did is fry the corn in butter, mix the mayonnaise and the Mexican sour cream. You can use less if you'd like. This is the main thing I really wanted to taste. You're gonna love it. So you'll have to excuse me while I go chow down some more. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you share, like, comment. Have a good night. Keep in touch. Hakoshina.